Welcome to Budgie Buddies. Today's video is full of fun and feathers. Our baby budgies are having a cute sibling war. Watch them walk the rope like acrobats, flutter their wings, and even challenge each other in friendly play fights. From rope walking to little flights, these adorable budgie siblings will make you smile all the way through. Their playful energy, curious moves, and mini battles are what make Budgie Buddies so special. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more of Preeti, Prabhu, Keely, and their adorable baby budgies.